in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
All members are present, Madam Presiding Officer.
Congratulations. Having all members present, the Chair declares a quorum. Once again, good morning. For the order of business, we request the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, Honorable Marcelian Tapayan, please.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Our mayor is supposed to be coming this morning because last session he intended to come, but he was not able to come. He indicated to me that he will be coming this session. So, but I guess the mayor is busy. He's not around. So we proceed to item number 5. Approval of the agenda for the day. There are about 4 written requests for insertions on the Chair to our order of business. First, a request of our City Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Quintes, to pass a resolution approving the July 2025 Labor Force Survey and the 2025 Family Income and Expenditure Survey by the Philippine Statistics Authority on 8 July 2025 until 7 August 2025. The second written request, also from our City Mayor, is for us to pass a resolution approving the 4th Joint Peace and Security Coordinating Council meeting by the Coast Guard Station Misamis Occidental on July 7, 2025. The third written request is for us to enact a resolution concurring and confirming the appointment of Ms. Rutisa Bliss E. Wano as City Administrator of City Government of Samis, effective July 7, 2025. The fourth and last request is from Honorable Sanso Wamina Jr. requesting His August body to pass a resolution commending the dedication of an initiative of Attorney Hindi Criminal, Winsor Governor of Science Occidental, for the implementation of the Kaliwa Center that sells quality rice at 20 pesos per kilo, lunch last June 30, 2025 in the city of Samis, Parquita and Tango. These are the 4 written requests for insertion to order of business on Officer. I move the motion to approve our agenda for the day with 4 written requests for insertions on Officer.
There is a joint motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with 4 inclusions as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 6, approval of the minutes or previous session. A body was furnished copies of our minutes of our regular session on June 17, 2025, and I guess everybody was able to peruse, examine the contents thereof, Honorable Chair. Therefore, I move the motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes of previous session on June 17, 2025, and to approve said minutes in toto, Honorable Chair.
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with 4 inclusions as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 7, please proceed to letter C. Petitions or requests for first reading. Number 1, number 2, and number 3 are utility pipes, supplemental budgets number 1 of Barangay Cemetery, Lipos ng Bacolod, Honorable Chair. I yield to the chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable John Carmen, to introduce omnibusly on the items 1, 2, and 3, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable John Carlo Moralion is now recognized by the chair for motion for 3 items.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass 2025 supplemental budget. Barangay Mintiring, 500,000. Barangay Lipusong, 500,000. Barangay Bacolod, 500,000. For first reading with reservation.
More for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Considering the urgency and necessity of the said 2025 supplemental budget of Barangay Mintiring, Barangay Lipusong, and Barangay Bacolod, passing for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
There's a motion from the Honorable Moralion to pass this on the second and final reading. The 3 item supplemental budget of Barangay Mintiring in the amount of 500,000, supplemental budget of Barangay Lipusong in the amount of 500,000, and for the supplemental budget of Barangay Bacolod in the amount of 500,000. More for its approval on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 4 of letter C of item number 7, 2025 annual budget, Barangay Calabayan in the amount of 7,326,909 pesos, duly endorsed by our City Budget Officer for approval. I again yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable John Carlo Moralion, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable John Carlo Moralion is now recognized by the chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass the 2025 annual budget of Barangay Calabayan in the amount of 7,356,909 for first reading with reservation.
Move on first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Considering the urgency of the said 2025 annual budget of the Barangay Calabayan, passing for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of the request of Barangay Calabayan, the Honorable Moralion is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 5, application of Mrs. Johanna G. Tamula of Primus Snack and Dine, located at Purok 1, Gango, Sam City, for renewal of special use permit, duly endorsed by the CPDO, Honorable Chair, for approval on the first reading. And I refer to now to the Chairman of the Committee on Zoning, Housing Settlement, Honorable Dinky Sisok, to introduce and action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Suizo is now recognized by the chair for the appropriate motion, please.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. This representation would like to pass a resolution on first reading on the application of Ms. Joanna J. Tamola of Raymond Snack and Dine, located at Purok 1, Gango, Osame City, for renewal of special use permit. On first reading, Madam Chair, for approval of and refer it to the appropriate committee.
For first reading, move by the Honorable Suizo and be referred to the appropriate committee. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We proceed to letter D, Message and Communications. Number 1, DIG Memorandum Circular number 2025-62, dated June 26, 2025, with subject 2025 Local Initiative Award. Honorable Chair, this memorandum DIG delineates the awards due to be given to initiative bodies on 2025 for a period July 1, 2022 to June 30, 2025. 3-year period. And these awards will be given to the province and region. There is a schedule of activities under level 4 of state memorandum. There is a provincial division and regional division and regional awarding, and submission of documents for review of national finalists on January 2026, and selection of national winner will be on May 26, and the awarding ceremony will be on June 2026. In the meantime, we will await with pleasure the recurrence of this activity being spearheaded by the DIG. In the meantime, Honorable Sir, we will just take the record of this memorandum in the records of City Council, Honorable Sir.
On item number 1, messages and communications, moved by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, this DILG Memorandum Circular number 2025-062 be just duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. Item number 2, DILG Region 10 Regional Advisory dated July 1, 2025 with subject guidance on the conduct of inaugural session. I guess this primarily refers to the new sets of members of the City Council. Honorable Sir, who are familiar with the procedure in the conduct of the negotiation. However, this is our third term, and we're able to handle our negotiation every first week of July. In the preceding years, 2 terms, Honorable Sir, and we're able to competently conduct our negotiation in accordance with the rules of the DLG and our internal rules, Honorable Sir. So, I recommend that this DLG advisory be duly noted in record City Council, Honorable Sir.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. On item number 2 of messages and communications, presented by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, this DILG Region 10 Regional Advisory be duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. Number 3, DILG Region 10 Advisory dated July 2, 2025 with subject online orientation on the conduct of organization for DILG field officers, selling officers, and secondary members. I guess there was a link being distributed by the DILG on this supposed online orientation, and some of the members of the body may have designated their staff to attend said orientation, Honorable Sir. But this particularly more important to newcomers, new members of the City Council and the Municipal Council, Honorable Sir. So in the meantime, I recommend that this advisory will also be duly noted in record City Council, Honorable Sir.
Noted, Honorable Majority Floor Leader.
Number 4, the LG Region 10 message dated July 2, 2025 with subject reiteration online orientation of Memorandum Circular number 25, updating of the effective local official filing database system. This again a reminder and the reiteration of the previous DILG Memorandum Circular 25 on the updating of the effective local official filing database system, Honorable Sir. And I also recommend that this be duly noted and record City Council, Honorable Sir.
Noted by the Chair, Honorable.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. There are no commentary submitted on my table. We proceed to item number 9, letter C, unassigned business whereby we have 4 approved written request concessions, Honorable Sir. I may start with the first approved in session. A resolution approving the 2025 Labor Force Survey and 2025 Family Income and Expenditure Survey by the Philippine Statistics Authority on July 8, 2025 until August 7, 2025. I now refer to yield to Chairman of the Committee on Labor, Honorable Saulo Salvador, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Sir.
The Honorable Saulo Salvador is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to pass a resolution approving the July 2025 Labor Force Survey and the 2025 Family Income and Expenditure Survey by the Philippine Statistics Authority on July 8, 2025 to August 7, 2025. Madam Chair, on first reading with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
For the interest of the public, Madam Chair, I move to pass this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
For public
Thank you, Madam
interest, the Honorable Saulo Salvador is passing this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. Approved session number 2, resolution approving the 4th Joint Peace and Security Coordinating Council meeting by the Coast Guard Station Misamis Occidental on July 7, 2025. Coast Guard is a national agency regulating transportation, so I yield to Chairman of the Committee on Public Transportation, Honorable Archie Ramiro, to endorse the recommendation on this item, Honorable Sir.
The Honorable Marcelo Romero is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Madam Chair, I would like to pass this little request, a resolution approving the 4th Joint Peace and Security Coordinating Council meeting with the Coast Guard Station, Misamis Occidental, on July 7, 2025, Madam Chair. Passing this for first reading with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservation. Motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. In the interest of public service, Madam Chair, I move to pass this resolution approving the 4th Joint Peace and Security Coordinating Council meeting by the Coast Guard Station, Misamis Occidental, for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Move for first. Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Romero is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. Approved session number 3, resolution concurring and confirming the appointment of Ms. Rutisa Grace A. Wano as City Administrator of City of Government of Misamis, effective July 7, 2025. And to Chairman of the Committee on Civil Service, Honorable Lord Pudicipres, to recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Lord Fuentes Cipres is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and to our Majority Floor Leader. I would like to pass a resolution concurring and confirming the appointment of Ms. Rutisa Grace A. Iwano as City Administrator of Osamis City Government of Osamis, effective 7 July 2025. For first reading with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
Due to his consistent exemplary performance, the local Chief Executive, Sam Norman G. Fuentes, appointed Ms. Rutisa Grace Uwano as Administrator of the City Government of Osamis to empower the agenda of Asenso Osamis. I move to pass this on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Lord Fuentes Cipres is passing this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The last but not the least, Upon session number 4, a resolution commending the dedication and initiative of Attorney Hindi Seminal, Provincial Governor of Misamis Occidental for the implementation of the Kadiwa Center that sells quality rice at 20 pesos per kilo, launched last June 30, 2025 in the city of Misamis, Ogitan, Tangog. Annual to the Chairman of the Committee on Agriculture and the principal sponsor of this resolution, Honorable Sancho Isumina Jr., to endorse and recommend action on this item.
The Honorable Sancho Waminal is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Good morning, everyone. This humble representation would like to move a resolution commending the dedication and initiative of Attorney Henry Waminal, Provincial Governor of Misamis Occidental, for the implementation of the Kadiwa Center that sells quality rice at 20 pesos per kilo, launched last June 30, 2025 in the cities of Osamis, Oroquita, and Tangog. For first reading, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading with reservation. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Rice is the staple food of every Filipino family and remains central to the health, nutrition, and daily sustenance of the people, especially the underprivileged and the marginalized sectors of society. Republic Act number 12078 institutionalizes and strengthens the Kadiwa program of the Department of Agriculture, aiming to improve food distribution, ensure affordable prices, and directly link producers to consumers to make essential goods, including rice, accessible to all in fulfillment of this mandate. The province of Misamis Occidental, under the visionary and compassionate leadership of Governor Henry Waminal, has launched the Kadiwa Center that sells quality rice to the public at an exceptionally affordable price of 20 pesos per kilo. The launching of this program on June 30, 2025 in the cities of Osamis, Oroquita, and Tangog marks a transformative milestone, demonstrating proactive governance that eases the economic burden on families amid rising costs of living. So on that premise, Madam Chair, I therefore move that this resolution be approved on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules of this Sanggunian.
Thank you, Honorable Waminal. Thank you for your commendation on this resolution, commending the dedication and initiative of Attorney Henry Waminal, our Provincial Governor of Misamis Occidental, for the implementation of the Kadiwa Center that sells quality rice at 20 pesos per kilo, launched last June 30, 2025 in the cities of Osamis, Oroqueta, and Tangog. Move for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment, remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending matters on my table under item number 10, basis for third reading. Hence, at this juncture, we have pleasure on my village to hear on PCL matters from Honorable Inquisition, Honorable Chair.
For PCL matters, the Chair recognizes Honorable Suizo.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair, and to the Honorable Majority Floor Leader. I have two matters for PCL matters, Madam Chair. First, the provincial government will be conducting and requesting the HLGUs, both municipalities and chartered cities of Misamis Occidental, to send its PCL representative representing their municipalities for the convention of the Federation of PCL Board of Directors and Board of Members, Madam Chair. In lieu to that, they will be officially asking who will be these terms official representative of PCL to the Federation of PCL for the entire province, Madam Chair. And secondly, for the LLA, the Local Legislative Award, which is set and scheduled from July to September for the field evaluation. That's the term for 2022 to 2025. We will be asking, Madam Chair, I would like to ask the Honorable Madam Chair to, we will be requesting for a coordination meeting together with our Secretariat of the City Council so that we could have an early preparation for the upcoming LLA evaluation scheduled July to September, Madam Chair. Thank you very much.
Honorable Suiso, may I request the Mr. Attorney Secretary.
Good morning, Madam Chair, as well as to Honorable Suiso. Actually, Madam Chair, I was planning to call a meeting for all the divisions chief and section chief immediately right after decision, but unfortunately, the attention of this representation was called by Honorable Suiso. Then we will having a meeting right away, Madam Chair, right after decision.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Noted, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May also represent the bill to hear on SK matters from Honorable John P. Dendon Lungsod, Honorable Chair.
For SK matters, may we recognize Honorable Duhay Lungsod.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For SK matters, none at this moment, Madam Chair.
None at the moment. Noted, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May you have another pleasure and privilege to hear on EBC matters from Honorable John Caramulayon, Honorable Chair.
ABC matters, Honorable Moralion, you are now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For ABC matters, none, Madam Chair.
For ABC matters, and at the moment. Noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May we now have the pleasure and privilege to hear on matters concerning the indigenous people from Honorable Dingo Sison, Honorable Chair.
For IP matters, may we recognize Honorable Suiso.
For IP matters, Madam Chair, none as of the moment.
Noted, none at the moment.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Before we adjourn item number 15, please reminded that our city mayor requested that it will be today our meeting with him at the conference room of Vice Mayor. Last time we have a meeting with him, but he asked for our indulgence due to very urgent commitment. So I request that the meeting will be held today after our session. So I request my colleagues to stand by for a moment. We will follow up. We'll see whether he can come to a meeting with us on Wednesday. Thank you. Please stand by. Please do not go home yet.
Yes, thank you. While waiting for our Honorable Mayor, maybe we just proceed to the office. Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Office.
Yes, Honorable Chair, we will wait the signal from the City Mayor. What time we will be coming after the decision. So please stand by. We will have to follow up with this office. Kung matagal ba ito meeting karon. So I will send Mrs. Group chat immediately, Honorable Chair, upon confirmation of City Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Bentis, Honorable Chair.
One moment, I think we will just adjourn our session and then proceed to the office of the Vice Mayor. Okay?
I have no more pending items on my table unless my colleagues may hear from Honorable Dingo Sison, Honorable Chair.
Okay. No more other matters? You still have Honorable
Other
Suiso.
matters. Thank you, Madam Chair and Majority Floor Leader. In line with our 77th Charter anniversary, I'd just like to remind that this coming Friday, that's our Employees' Night, the theme will be Spanish-inspired costume. So for the Employees' Night, that will be starting at 6 o'clock in the evening at City Gym. We will be having the costume contest, and it's Spanish inspired. So what we are wearing right now are Filipiniana and Barong inspired. It's a Philippine terno, it's not Spanish. So kindly prepare for it's a contest for the best in costume on Spanish attire, and that's on July 11, Friday. And also, council's not included, but it would be nice if we will be part of the attire. We will be wearing the Spanish attire costume. And on the 12th, Madam Chair, we are actually required to be present during the Open Chess Tournament because it's the Battle of the Champions. All of our Grand Chess Master will be around, both 12 and 13 at the City Gym for the opening, and as well as on the 14th, we will be having the fun run, the half marathon, and we are also enjoying to participate in the half marathon. That's on Monday and Tuesday. We will be wearing again Filipiniana attire for the Miss Ascensa Ozamis to be held at the Wellness Park. I'm just saying this, Madam Chair, for our costume preparation so that we could have prepared it a week from now. I will be sending also in our GC the exact details of the timeline of activities for the upcoming 77th Charter Anniversary, Madam Chair. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Suiso, for your information. Yes, another information from
Thank you, Madam
Honorable
Chair. We would appreciate it very much if you can, from the Committee on Tourism, if you can provide us a hard copy of the complete schedule of the activities in the coming week. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Honorable Ko, for your manifestation.
Noted, Madam Chair.
Noted. Any other information that you would like to? Yes, Honorable Suiso.
I almost forgot, Madam Chair. Today is our Novena Mass sponsor, the first day of the Novena, Dakota. The LGU is the first sponsor for the Mass, and
yes.
Today, first day, Novena Mass. The Novena will start at 3:45, but the Mass will start at 5:15. I think envelopes are now roaming around for our contribution for the said Novena sponsorship. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Suiso, for that very important reminder that we should take part in the celebration of the Nuestra Señora del Triunfo de la Cruz de Pangi and our charter anniversary. Noted. Any other information that you would like to take?
Honorable Chair, I guess there is none at this moment. So we await for the meeting with Mayor Atty. Sam Fuentes, and please stand by for urgent message.
Okay.
Exact time of our meeting. Thank you very much. And may I now move to adjourn the session of the chair.
Session is adjourned.